Metal BADY Safety Use. 12V outlet is made of advanced aluminum alloy material, which is sturdier than traditional plastic models, with better texture and better high-temperature resistance. Button switch. Non-slip button switch, more stable on control than touch button. The switch can control the LED digital display to avoid the battery being drained due to the constant light after the engine starts, and effectively enhance its lifespan. QC3.0 QUICK CHARGE, compact USB car charger with 2 USB ports that can efficiently charge 2 devices at the same time. QC3.0 technology can make the maximum output reach 18 W, and the charging speed is 4 times that of ordinary charging. Safe and secure. Built-in smart IC, outputs stable current without fluctuation. Intelligent circuit design protects against overcurrent, overcharging, overheating, and high temperature. 2-in-1 with panel. 2-pack provides a spare portable USB outlet to keep in your travel bag or a second vehicle. Spend less money for a better shopping experience. Top reviews from the United States. Exactly as described. I bought 4 of these to upgrade my RV. I've installed 2 so far and they both work perfect. My phones recognized them as fast chargers and they do a great job. I am especially pleased with the on-off button. Sometimes I want to turn it off and just save that tiny bit of electricity for my trailer battery. The light is a nice reminder that is actually charging or not. It shows my battery voltage, and I didn't buy it for that, but on a side note it's there and it's actually pretty accurate.